Hello there. Just arrived from another hair collection week. As I told you earlier, we go to hair collection every week, and then from all these small cities, towns, villages, we go through each house, each hair salon, and each all these businesses, private properties, and such. All these places we collect hairs, we buy hairs from them. And this is another week. It's been pretty busy week. By the way, I got about like 15 kilos of hair this week, which was great. And I wanted to demonstrate you these hairs, so you know exactly what we get every week. The hair that we collect. These hairs are great for your hair salon needs, for your hair stylists, and etc. Just please, if you don't mind, I'll take like 4 or 5 minutes of your time. Just wanted to show you these hairs that we just brought from the villages. Let me show you them one by one. So here they are. Please note some of them are dirtyish. Maybe you can see it from the camera, maybe not. It's just been cut from the head and it's been just in the bag for about like 6-7 days, so it's got dust and dirty. And at this stage, if you have followed me in my earlier videos, we usually sort them into different categories, like depending on their texture, depending on their shape, and depending on their color, and also depending on their length. As you see, these hairs are pretty long. They are about, I would say, like 26 inches long, maybe slightly longer. This was very good week, by the way. I really enjoyed collecting these hairs, because sometimes when I go out for hair collection with my team, no, we don't usually get this many long hairs. Most times I collect shorter hairs, because short hairs are always available to collect in larger amounts, but the long hairs are pretty difficult, especially when they have such brownish colors. As you see, beautiful brownish colors, silky, soft. It's just, it's just gorgeous. It's just, gosh, it's so nice. Look how brownish it is. It is 100% virgin, absolutely no color touched to it. Extremely soft and nice. Guess what happens if you bleach it? It will become platinum, platinum white. This is pretty soft, nice hairs. So the purpose of this video, I've done similar videos earlier, but I'd like to keep doing such videos. So if you're looking for hair, if you're looking for virgin hair, if you're looking for natural hair, so that I am here. I do collect those hairs that you or your business, or maybe your hairstylists in your salon, they could be looking for it. So me now, that I do collect such hairs which are I hope it's in demand in your salon. Oh, look at this hair. This is such a beautiful, nice, medium brownish, silky. It's pretty silky hair. It's not that too long, but it's at least more than 20 inches, which is it's just great. I wish all my hair was like this. This is pretty rare hair. I keep it in here. As you see, from like 5-6 kilos, I only got one extremely soft, extremely brownish hair. the purpose, you know, let's go back to the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video, I'm just trying to show you that every week we collect almost very similar hairs, you know, to each other. As you see, all of them are very good quality, all natural human hairs, absolutely no. There's another one, medium brownish. Oh gosh, look at that, man, that's extremely silky. I guess this was like a baby hair. Look at this. If you can feel it, it's just super soft. I'm sure some hairstylists, they always looking for the good hair, because you always want some, you know, hair ponytails which is lasting for the long time after it's been installed, after, you know, I tipped, or I don't know how you install it. You know, there are tons of ways nowadays. There's like wefting them and then taping them, etc. You know, there are ways and ways of installations. Oh gosh, look at that, another one. So why am I putting those brownish hairs down there? Because I probably told you this earlier, I do have you know, prepaid orders on brown hairs. Brown hairs are always in demand, and lots of, you know, hairstylists, lots of hair salon owners, they want brownish hair. But that's why, you know, I most times after collection, you know, I'm back to warehouse and I keep this brownish hairs separately, because I already have customers, you know, waiting on these hairs. Look at this, and I ship them to those prepaid orders immediately, because, you know, they've been waiting for days, sometimes for weeks, you know. And I probably told you earlier, I get lots of orders on curly hair these days. Look at this. Can you see the softness of it? And this I get a lot of inquiries on curly hair, and, you know, these curly hairs are such a rare, you know, it's 100% natural, but it's such a rare. I sometimes I get it, you know, a few ponytails in each kilogram of hair, but sometimes I don't, you know, I don't get any curlies. As you see in here, I didn't get almost any curlies, because in this collection I didn't see any girl with a curly hair. But however, this was extremely I would say extremely one of the, you know, enjoyable hair collecting week, because every village I went to, every girl I met with, every person who sold me their hair, look at these hairs, look how mostly silky they are, and they are absolutely, you know, in great shape, in great quality. So this is what makes me, you know, keep working and keep collecting the hair. So this hair, you know, it is so soft, so nice that you know, when you bleach it, when you work with it, you just enjoying it. You know? All you do is you just enjoying it. It's a long-lasting hair. It's 100%, you know, as I told you earlier, tons of, you know, times natural hair, human hair. It's all Remy hair. There's absolutely no any mixtures here, any acids, you know, and nothing. It's just cut from the head. Now the next stage is sorting them, cleaning them, and shipping out to you. And thank you so much for your attention on my hair, because I really want to show you this hair all the time I collect. I mean, not all the time, but at least, you know, most times, because I want to see you every time what we get, what we ship, and how it comes to me from hair collection to here to the warehouse. I myself go to hair collection most times, but not all the time. and this is what we get, this is what we sell. And I've got another bag in here, it's exactly the same, very close to it, but I won't show you this one because, you know, there's no point wasting your time. So thank you so much again, thank you so much. So here is the hair, you order it, you get it. Thank you, bye.